Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Agree to family spell. For example, agree to girlfriend for marriage, agree to boyfriend for marriage, ex-back girlfriend, ex-back boyfriend, most effective powerful spell in the world. It is old centuries love talisman. It is a dangerous spell for love. It is a talisman to bring the beloved in minutes. Beloved will follow like a dog. Just a man's dog loyal, so the lover also become his slave. Millions of times, millions of people, this talisman has been tried and has always been successful. People from all the corners of the world order this talisman from me. I did not write for the I did not write this talisman for the but still I am writing for the benefits of people. This talisman is our family secret spell on show public generations run in our family. Most effective love talisman in the world. For example, the girl is gone by cheating you, the boy is gone by cheating you. The girl is back, this talisman is back a girl 7 ocean, back a boy 7 ocean, back a wife 7 ocean, back a husband 7 ocean. Most effective love talisman in the world. Most effective powerful spell in the world. Agree to family for marriage, agree to family for engagement, agree to family for lover, agree to family for love marriage. Most effective powerful spell on the world. I do black magic on this moon, affect the whole world quickly. People from the every country of the world order world make a magic to me. Many people do this procedure with me. It has an immediate effect the whole world quickly. I am Black Magic Astrologist and herbal remedy spellcaster. With my work you are 100% guaranteed and safe with my spell. I cast the make your spouse come back in 48 hours following. I am spiritual specialist. I help with all kinds of spiritual problems, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number +923305919192, and please visit my website www.talismiamulet.com, and you can order this talisman. FIVERR ID link in description. You can order. Your work will complete 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Most effective powerful spell in the world. And how to for any spiritual problem, for any spiritual, for example, love spell, ex-back spell, money spell, marriage spell, court case spell, ex-back love talisman, ex-back luck spell, good luck spell, separation spell, divorce spell, lottery spell, cost out court spell, promotion in work spell, protection spell, voodoo spell. All these spells skilled, alhamdulillah me. Most powerful spell in the world. Agree to family, agree to mother, agree to father, agree to brother, sisters, for engagement, for love marriage. Most effective powerful spell in the world. How to use it? This talisman, make it boxes, then write the number, order in separate boxes. For example, you are a boy, agree to mother, agree to father, Alhub, your name and your mother name. For example, agree to mother, Alhub, mother name and mother-in-law name. Okay, this spell is your complete. How to use it? This talisman. This talisman, write the paper with names, write the paper and wash the water, and in the word mix in water, and this water mix in cold drink and juice. Drink in your mother, father, agree to engagement, agree to family, agree to love marriage. Most effective powerful spell in the world. If you want to do this work me, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Please share on your video, please share my video your friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.